friends, welcome back to my channel. This is a class for CBSE class 10 students. The subject I'm going to take is mathematics, and the first chapter in maths is real numbers. Now, first of all, I will give a brief introduction about this chapter. Before that, I want to tell you one thing that for CBSE students, I will be taking classes in English because I think that will be more helpful for CBSE students to understand. Okay friends, we can start with the important points of formulas that you have to study in your first chapter, real numbers. And the first formula you have to study is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The students will be familiar with the terms dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder that you have studied in your lower classes. And the second formula is the HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. That is, A and B are any two numbers. Here we can assume A and B as any two numbers. And in the questions, to find out the product of HCF and LCM, you can directly find out the product of HCF and LCM by simply multiplying the two numbers A and B. That is, here we are assuming A and B as any numbers. That is, the answer will be the answer of HCF of AB into LCM of AB will be just the product of that two numbers. That is the first equation in the second one. And coming to the second equation, in the questions that we have to find HCF of AB. The equation is HCF of AB will be equal to A into B divided by LCM of AB. HCF of AB will be equal to product of the two numbers divided by LCM of the two numbers. And coming to the third one, LCM of AB will be equal to the product of the two numbers divided by HCF of two numbers. This will be more clear to you when we do more problems on these equations. And the third formula is HCF of AB will be equal to 1, where A, B are coprime positive integers. That is, when the given two numbers A and B are coprime positive integers, their HCF will be equal to 1. Okay? Next important point you have to study is the decimal expansion of a rational number p by q. Hope you all know about what's known as a rational number. Okay, the decimal expansion of a rational number p by q, where q not equal to 0, where p and q are coprime, is terminating if q is of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n, m are non-negative integers, and non-terminating repeating if q is not of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n, m are non-negative integers. This point you have to apply in the questions to check whether the decimal expansion of a given rational number is terminating or non-terminating repeating. Hope you all know what is a rational number and irrational numbers. You have studied that in your previous classes, that is in 8th and 9th standard. Here it is telling that the decimal expansion of a rational number p by q is terminating if the denominator q can be expressed in the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, and the decimal expansion of the given rational number will be non-terminating repeating if the denominator q cannot be expressed in the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers. These are the 4 important points or formulas that you have to study in your first chapter. It will be more clear to you while we are going through the chapter. Hope my students have noted down all the 4 points that I have written here. It will be more clear to you only after doing more problems on these topics. So please wait for my upcoming video. I will be uploading the videos on the exercise questions very soon. So if you like my class, please press the like button, share with your friends, and click the subscribe button, so you will be getting upcoming videos of my classes. Thank you.